The HOLYFUN Drone HFD-01 is a highly enjoyable remote control quadcopter for kids, equipped with a variety of stunt flying capabilities including circle fly, 3D flips, and auto rotation. Its user-friendly design features a one-key takeoff landing and auto-hovering function, as well as a headless mode that adjusts direction relative to the pilot, making it an easy and carefree flying experience for beginners. With two 3.7-volt 450 milliampere hour Li-polymer batteries included, the drone offers a total of 18 minutes of flight time and is equipped with colorful lights for day and night flying. The drone utilizes a 2.4 gigahertz radio control system, allowing for a maximum control distance of 164 feet and strong anti-interference ability for group flying experiences. Constructed from lightweight and durable EPP material, the drone has protected propellers for the safety of children and the durability of the drone itself. The package includes a comprehensive instruction manual for technical operations and offers prompt customer service for any missing parts or technical difficulties.